It's December 28th, Sunday. Christmas is over, so it's time to start thinking about boat projects and getting the boat ready for the upcoming season. Still 5 months away, but there's stuff that needs to be done. On board for the first time this winter after it was put away. Looking good. In a different spot this year. I'm up in the front, as opposed to being way back in that far corner. Until April or May, this is where we'll be. Not bad. We're right by the front door. Boat's packed in here pretty tight again, but it's accessible. And a couple of weeks now, the place will open up and some of these other boats will start coming out, so I'll be able to start working on it again. Well, it's good to be back on the boat. As I noted, the boat is outside. You can see how bright it is in here. The sun is shining today, although it is extremely cold for this time of year. It's April 7th and temperature this morning was 17. So it is a cold start to the season. But the season is underway. Time to go to work. More wiring projects. Actually installing some lights that need a separate switch. So that's a work in progress at the moment. Finally have a nice day down here at the boatyard. It's supposed to be in the upper 60s, might even hit 70 today. On Monday it was 27. Today is Tuesday. So temperatures are coming up. But yesterday everything was frozen. The river wasn't, but any water that was sitting around was frozen. That's Wisconsin. One thing that's inescapable about having a boat is that there's always work to be done. But it's an important part of boat ownership. You got to keep the boat in shape. Got to keep all of the systems in working order. Maintenance is an important part of boat ownership. So here we are, doing all the spring prep that we need to get the boat ready to go in the water and then to have an enjoyable sailing season. Get all the hard work done now so that we have time for enjoying the boat through the summer. spring boat projects are well underway. Making some progress, but it's slow going. The weather hasn't been very cooperative. The sun is out today, but it's only in the upper 40s. Might get to lower 50s later on this afternoon. Back at work polishing. I got about a third of the port side done. Going not quite as fast as I'd like, but it's moving. We're getting it done. So hopefully I'll be able to finish up early next week. More work on the polishing, adding wax now. And it's actually turning out better than I thought. After all the rain we had over the last 4 weeks or so, the water is finally coming back up here on the river and on the bay. Going to start putting tape on so I can paint here either later on or tomorrow, despite how cold it is out here. Could use Nick down here. He's never around when you need him. About a quarter of the way done. Another cold Saturday afternoon down here at the boat. Taping the boat and getting it ready for painting the bottom. Always exciting. Family time down here at the boatyard. I know this isn't the most exciting video, but our hope is to show what's involved in preparing the boat for the summer sailing season. There's a lot of work that goes into it, and there's a lot of time and prep that goes along with all of that. This is also how I've spent most of my springs over the last 40 years. I don't know what else to do during the spring. Well, continuing on with the spring rituals, VC17. Getting ready to paint the sail drive. We're going to use some stuff called prop coat. Something new to try this year. See how this works. Oh, she is windy down here today. It actually blew the ladder over. The little ladder that wasn't attached. Or the medium-sized ladder. But it is windy. Well, the folks at Green Bay Marine Service got new anodes to put on recently, so that's another job taken care of. Boy, the other ones were actually pretty bad. So these hopefully will last me a few years. Another spring project done. Bottom is painted. Got prop coat on the stern drive. Got the anodes replaced. She is now ready to go in the water. Thanks for watching, and if you take a moment, please hit like and subscribe. That really helps out our channel. Again, thank you. We appreciate your time watching our videos, and stay tuned for more. Hopefully, we'll see you back on the water soon.